The Hariti, Jamala, this is the statues. Cave number 8. Down is 7 and top is 6 to 9 is connected in top. 6 to 9 is connected. The beginning number 5 is that corner. The waterfall was come down that is the biggest hall, dining hall King of Ashoka. They arranged the meeting.
हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम टू माय चैनल माउंटेन गाइड। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त आदि और आज मैं हूं अलोरा, जो औरंगाबाद महाराष्ट्र में है। अलोरा जो आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे होंगे, ये अलोरा के केव्स हैं। इस केव को रिलेटिव आज वीडियो होने वाली है, तो वीडियो करते हैं स्टार्ट। चलते हैं अलोरा केव।
Is the people. Cave 3, 4 is monastery caves. And cave 2 is the Chaitya one. People have to worship. Cave 1 is the biggest hall, 8 rooms for meditations. This rocks is the basalt. Basalt is volcanic rocks. And this cave they cut it in front to back with the chisel and hammer. All these rocks. And this one is we have 500 century to 700 AD. All caves is made at King Ashoka time. This is cave number 6. This statue's name is Tara. From here is Tara also. This corner also Tara. Padmapani, Vajrapani here. And this side is Buddha. Here also Padmapani, Vajrapani, and this side their corner is meditation room. And you can see all caves from here, cave 9 to 1 to 5 view. And this stone from meditation.
वो एक प्लस पॉइंट।
So this is the dining hall, cave 5. So King of Ashoka arranged a meeting and teach the people, and people sit here to eating also in that time. This cave they made at 500 century to 700 AD. And you can see that is the holes is there. This is the round holes, those paintings that before now have company how to make the colors. So those people was make flowers, stone, crystals. They mix the colors and they make the painting. That time have no company how to make the colors. So those people they take the flowers, stone, then making is there, and they doesn't have idea how to do brush. So they have the neem tree sticks. They do the brush, make the painting in that time. And here is get Kitko also. Buddham Saranam Gacchami. Buddham Saranam Gacchami. Buddham Saranam Gacchami. Case number 3, this is the monastery case. So that cave number 2. is number 10. It's a Buddha cave, 7 meters Buddha inside. This is people have to worship. It's the biggest temple in Buddhism. So here, just a second. So here, one top is Padmapani, that design from South India. Vajrapani, that design from North India. Three Panchika on the right and three Panchika on left. That window, they say welcome. So here inside, when you go inside, there is a Buddha temple. When they work it, inside look like in bamboos, like Sutar Jopi, carpenter temples. But they was cut it all in the rocks and basalt. So you have to remove the shoes is near the door and you have to enter. When you come back inside, you have to go in the right hand to top second floor.
हो गया बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि